Okay, so I've already gone ahead and removed the plastic packaging from the inside, but so that you could just see really easily what comes in this kit. This has several really great tools that are perfect for little hands to practice in the kitchen. So it comes with 4 of these little dough cutters, which are great for making cookies, or you can also punch sandwich bread to make little shapes. This is great for like hand-eye coordination and teaching kids how to cut shapes with dough. So it comes with a bunny, a star, a flower, and a heart. And okay, the next thing here is a vegetable peeler. This is a really great little vegetable peeler that's perfect for a little hand. It has a little place for your thumb, and it's got like, I think it's a ceramic blade right here. It is a little sharp, you know, but it seems to be pretty well designed for children 3 and up to use. Okay, and this is a fun little tool. This is actually used on the box. They show using like a potato to cut slices of the potato with this. So it seems, I haven't tried it yet, but we'll try it in this video to see how well it works. It does seem like it has like a really good gripper for little hands to put and then push down on an item. So that's a fun way to cut without using a knife. But it does come with 4 sizes of knives. These are really great. This is normally, like for adults, they would sell this as like a salad knife because it's plastic and it doesn't make your lettuce turn brown after cutting it when you like it happens when you use a stainless steel knife. But these are perfect for little kids. This is not that, it's not really sharp. Like I can run my finger up and down on this and I'm not cutting myself at all. But this is actually really effective for cutting things like tomatoes, grapes, strawberries, fruit, things that are, you know, relatively juicy on the inside. It does break open the skin. So it comes in different sizes. There's like a chef's knife, like a little paring knife here, and then 2 little utility knives. So it's good for like, you know, as they grow or if they want to explore with different sizes of knives. And then this, I've seen this advertised as like a Montessori chopper. It's a wooden chopper that you can fit your hand into, and you can use this to cut certain things. I'm not sure exactly what you would cut with it off the top of my head, but maybe you would cut dough or something soft like bread. Yeah, but I think that's pretty cool, and it's good for little tiny hands to be able to feel like they're really holding the item. And then it also comes with 2 small cutting boards, which is great. I like that there's 2 because then you can get one dirty and then go to the next one. So yeah, this little set contains kind of like a nice little introduction to kids cooking. They advertise it as work together, cook together, kids' first step toward kitchen independence. So I think that's really cool. I'm going to share a link in the description below of where you can purchase this on Amazon. This is the back of the package here. Kind of shows like a little girl cutting cucumbers. You can cut bananas with those knives. This is where it shows the potatoes being cut with this item right here. And then tomatoes being cut with one of those knives. So let's just give these items a little test. I have a, I like to put these underneath the cutting board. It's sort of like a damp towel. This helps keep the cutting board from like slipping around. It's definitely something to give a child if you're gonna teach them how to cook, is help them not have their cutting board slide around. And then we have some items here, have like a tomato. Let's try this big chef's knife for cutting this tomato. So, oh look, just cuts right through. I just cut off the top there and cut in. Wow, this is great. And nobody's gonna get their fingers cut, but they can practice cutting vegetables and fruit without requiring too much adult supervision. So yeah, check that out. That's the tomato being cut with this chef's knife. Let's move that over. Push those seeds over there. Okay. Oops. Let's try a grape now with this little utility knife. Okay, we'll cut it long ways. Oh wow, look, it just cut right in half really easily. So that's great because when you give like a kid, you know, a little set to play with and it doesn't work right, that's something that can be really stressful. So this is actually working really well. Let's try a strawberry cut with this one here. Oh, same thing. Look at how quickly and easily I cut. So this is great. You could really teach kids how to use proper safety, knife skills without having to worry about them cutting their little fingers. Okay, let's try this vegetable peeler on this sweet potato here. Okay, so you hold it and, oh, that's an old sweet potato. All right, it works really good. Look at that. We'll throw that one away. Okay, and then we have a potato here. Let's try this device here for cutting the potato. Just hold it and, oh wow, look at how good that cut. So you can make like little fries. You can have the kids cut their own fries. There we go. Or potato chips. Kind of use like sort of like a sawing motion to start and then you just press down after that. So wow, look at that, cut these into really fun little zigzag pattern potato chips. All right, can you imagine a kid being so excited? Look at all the items they can cut themselves. Okay, and I don't have any dough to practice with these, but look how great these are. It's like got a handle on here so they're not hurting their little hands on this part. They could just take that and press it down. Oh, I guess we could try this with this potato. Let's try this heart. Oh yeah, that works. Cute. Look at that. And then you push that out and there's like a little potato in the shape of a heart. And then there's the center of a heart cut out. Fun, let's try this one. This is a little flower. Oh, cute. Okay, well these are really fun. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and like I said, I'll share a link in the description below of where you can purchase this kids kitchen set on Amazon. I think I paid about less than $25 for this, but I'll share the current price in the description below. All right, well I hope you subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.